Okay, so guys, today we're gonna look at how to use auto-tune in FL Studio 2025. If you're ready, let's do this right after the intro. Alright, the name is Gosai and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the bell notification if you want to know much about music production. Guys, this is FL Studio 2025. I mean, one of the latest version. And if you are new to FL Studio 2025, I have a full video taking you through step by step. So we're gonna start with empty project like this, and as you can see, we are offline. So let's go to the playlist and we're gonna go for one of these ad libs. Let's try one of them. All right, so we're gonna use this ad lib. Let's click add audio clip. Then now the tempo is 120, so you're gonna change the tempo to 120 BPM. Super simple like this. Now let's go to the mixer track and we're gonna send this to the mixer track. Let's double click it, route it to mixer track 1 and go to the mixer track. Over here we're gonna highlight any of the tracks, then give it a color. Let's choose this, then we're gonna name this. Let's rename this, call this reverb. All right, we're gonna call this reverb. All right, so now we're gonna use Fruity Reverb 2, as you can see, and we are using the large hall. If you don't know anything about reverb, I have a full video taking you through step by step and how do you link our vocals to this particular reverb over here. What you need to do is to click on the insert track. Let's call this the vocals. Let's rename this, call it vocals. We're gonna hit yes, then we're gonna click on the send button here. Listen to the reverb. I can't get over you. You can actually hear the reverb is too much, so we're gonna control certain things over here. If you want to know much about reverbs, I have a full video taking you through step by step. I'm gonna even make it more big. I can't get over you. And what you're gonna do is to control the amount of reverb from this send knob here. We want a little bit. I can't get over you. 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 Now we have set our reverb perfectly. What we're gonna do is to cut some of the low ends of the reverb by dragging this EQ band 1 over here. Now next thing we're gonna do is to detect the right key for this particular vocals, and to do that we're gonna use auto key. All right, we're gonna use auto key from Antares. If you don't know the key of your beat, you can actually go for this plugin. Auto Key 2 is one of the best plugins. They have not sponsored this particular video. So what you're gonna do is to play the ad lib, and this gonna listen and detect the key for us. I can't get over you. I can't get over you. And you can actually see it has detected A major or F sharp minor. You can swap the keys by clicking over here. So first let's try the A major. We need to load auto-tune, so let's go for auto-tune, and I'm gonna use auto-tune artist. All right, so this auto-tune artist, and the best way to use auto key 2 alongside with auto-tune artist is to click send to auto-tune, and this is gonna detect any auto-tune on your vocal track and it's gonna set your key automatically for you. So let's click on send auto-tune, and you can see A major had been set for us. Now let's look at auto-tune. If you're a beginner, the very first knob you need to familiarize yourself with is the routine speed. So this is how much you want to pitch your vocals, how much you want to feel that T-pain effect. The more you crank this all the way up, the more auto-tuning you are doing, or the more tipping effect you're gonna get. So let's bring everything down like this as we dial the routine speed all the way up. Now listen.
I can't get over you. I can't get over you. I can't get over you.
So now you have heard the difference. Now let's try once more.
I can't get over you. I can't get over you.
So you can hear when we push the routine speed all the way down to 400, we are not getting the auto tune. All right.
I can't get over you. I can't get over you.
So now that we are okay with the routine speed, the next knob is the humanized knob. Alright, and this humanized knob we use the humanized knob to add realism to our vocals. We don't want to sound robotic, so we add a little bit humanized over here.
I can't get over you. I can't get over you.
And I want you to watch the video to the very end because I'm going to show you the pro tips when it comes to auto tuning. Listen.
I can't get over you.
Now the next knob is the input type. For male, you can stick to low male or auto tenor. If it's a female, just stick to the soprano. So I'm going to change it to low male. Play around any of these. The one that's gonna sound great, just stick to that.
I can't get over you.
Alright, and if you want to add natural vibrator, you can actually do that. We're not gonna go deep in this particular video. So now that you are okay with auto tuning, let me show you the pro tips. If the artist is not good, just push the routine speed to, let's say, 20 or 30. 20 routine speed. Let's start with 20 routine speed. All right, then reduce the humanized knob. Half of 20 is 10. All right, so now listen to this.
I can't get over you.
And this sound more natural. All right, if you even want to sound more natural, go for 30 routine speed, around 30, 31. Now listen to this. Half of 30 is 15. All right, super simple.
I can't get over you.
That's crazy. And if your artist is good, just put the routine speed all the way down like this, and now do your corrections.
I can't get over you.
That's crazy. Now let's try the next key that was detected by auto key 2. That was F sharp minor. So we're gonna swap this and hit send to auto tune, and it's gonna set the auto tune for us. Now let's try the F sharp minor. Now listen, we just change the key, nothing else.
I can't get over you. I can't get over you.
That's crazy. All right, so now that you know how to use auto tune, watch the next video to know how to mix your vocals in FL Studio using stock plugins. Till then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.